Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now, I get paid.
Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I know everything has been so crazy with this coronavirus and now we're being quarantined, everyone has to stay at home and it's wild. So I kind of wanted to just go through what we're gonna be doing today, keep ourselves busy, and I wanted to take you guys along on the journey. So I'm about to go on Joann's website and I'm gonna order some supplies because we decided, wow, I'm just going through all the different lightings over here. Okay, that's better. We decided that we are going to do a paint and sip. So obviously we can't go anywhere, but we were brainstorming last night. What would we want to go do if the quarantine wasn't in place? And we decided we would wanna go do a paint and sip. So I think this is gonna be really fun. We're gonna get like easels and everything. I'm so excited, I'm so excited. Orders placed. Now we just have to wait for them to email or text us letting us know it's time to pick up. So we got 2 of those like tabletop easels that they use at Paint and Sip. We got 2 packs, 2 5-packs of canvases. Got some paintbrushes, and then I do have a lot of paint, but we got like a big thing of white and then some brown and then just a few neutral colors. We have no idea what we are gonna paint yet, and we're not gonna have the lesson. It's basically gonna be, here's a picture that we're gonna try to recreate, and then just go rogue. Just pour wine and just do our best. Time to celebrate with a little iced coffee. Oh my! Look who's so cute, come here. Hi, Sadie girl, can you sit? Oh, who's such a beautiful little girl. Yeah, you are, you are. Hi, handsome boy. Hi, Hunties. Hunter, can you sit? Hunter, sit. Sit. A little delayed, but I like it. You're still such a good boy. You're such a good boy. So it's been 2 hours since we placed our order. We still haven't gotten the email or text saying that order's ready for pickup. So I called in and apparently they have 35 to 40 orders and said that it might not even be ready until tomorrow. So now we're trying to figure out what to do today. Getting creative here. I've decided that I'm going to make matching scarves for me and the pups.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag.
So it's been another hour and Joann still has not emailed or texted us to tell us that our order is ready for pickup, so we are still waiting. It is now almost 2:30. We're gonna take the pups on a walk, pass some time, and hopefully by the time we get back, our order will be ready for pickup.
Never scared like bone crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, 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 no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504.
And I guess it is official that our order won't be ready till tomorrow. But I have been productive with my scarf. Guess we're gonna extend this vlog for 1 more day so we can actually get the paint and sip. Good morning. Today's the day we are finally gonna be able to do our paint and sip. It is about 10 a.m. I got up, showered, did my hair and makeup, got dressed. Now I'm drinking some coffee. We did finally get the email confirmation that our order is ready for pickup. So the paint and sip will officially be happening today. So here's what I'm wearing today. Just a long sleeve white crop and these workout pants. And yeah, and this is what we're gonna roll today. Oh, but let's not forget to say good morning to Sadie girl. Hi, Angel. Or to say good morning to little Hunter. Hi, Hunties. Hi, honey buns. Okay, so Darren's getting ready and then we're gonna go to Joann's to pick up our order. But I wanted to do a quick little life update because things are getting so ridiculous. So, like a few days ago, our dryer, like our clothing dryer, just stopped working. We got that a year and a half ago. Today, our also year and a half old dishwasher is now starting to have error codes, and we keep having to like restart it and then it works. But I think something inside is starting to go wrong, which is ridiculous because it's literally brand new. And then, just now I went out to the garage. We have a freezer out there, and that's where we store like our dog's food. And I went there to grab it and move it to the fridge to start defrosting it. Everything's already defrosted. It's not working. It turned off. I tried flipping the breaker. I tried unplugging it, replugging it in. Tried checking the back. There's no like on or off switch. It's just you plug it in and it starts cooling. So I don't know what's going on, but that's good. That's awesome. So while in quarantine here, everything's just breaking. Isn't that great? It's great. It's really heading to go pick up our order from Joanns. Gonna cool this. Lock it up nice and tight like.
I can drive you.
We are here. All right, first Joanns. Turns out they only had some of the stuff that we ordered. Even though they said our order was ready, it was not there. So now, here we are heading into the second Joanns. Hopefully they have what we need. Update, we found the easel we needed, and we bought some more different types like brushes and paints and stuff. And then we also got those like paint palettes that, you know, you see artists like hold all their paint on. So we're getting fancy in here. We also ended up ordering like painters art aprons. So unfortunately those won't be here for another week, but I think we're gonna make this paint and sip thing a pretty regular situation. We also picked up more, we picked up like the big canvases and more of the smaller ones. And we ordered 2 more of the easels online where we got like a discount. So we are ready for paint and sip double dates, and we're really dedicated to the cause at this point. We've never done it before at home, but I think it's safe to say that this is now gonna be a regular occurrence. Are you excited about it?
Of course. Next, Pablo Picasso.
Oh, okay. We got a cocky one over here, but on the real, he actually is definitely the more artistic one in this relationship. So,
It's a compliment.
It's true. You are.
It's going to my head. Now I'm gonna be Leonardo da Vinci.
You were gonna say DiCaprio. He was about to say DiCaprio.
I almost did.
It's now 2:30 p.m. We are finally ready to get started. So I'm gonna make a charcuterie board and pop some wine, and we're gonna get going. All right, so we just finished our setup, and I'm gonna show you guys what we've going on. So we've got wine. We each have a set of paint brushes and a water cup, paint palette, canvas, and easel. We've got a bunch of paint options and some paint mixing things and sponges. We've set up a charcuterie board, so we have some snacks while we do it. And then he has all of his supplies right here. So we are ready to get started on our paint and sip. We just need to figure out what we're painting. Okay, so we just finished our paintings. It took about 3.5 hours, but here are the final products. So I made mine a blue flower with a little ladybug, and Darren made the tree of life. Look how cute they are. We made a bit of a mess here, but it was worth every bit. This was so much fun. Okay, here's what I was going for. And here's how mine turned out. So I made the center of my flower a little too high, so it wasn't completely accurate. Here's what Darren went for. And here's how his turned out. So he ended up with a bit of a fluffier tree, but other than that, I think you executed it pretty darn well. So we did pretty good overall. Pretty darn good. Thank you guys so much for joining us for our weekend activity of paint and sip. Hopefully it was entertaining and gave you some good ideas. Please comment below what you guys are doing during quarantine, because I think we are all incredibly bored and looking for some unique creative ways to stay busy and, hey, maybe have a little fun. So for the rest of the evening, I'm probably just gonna be working on the rest of my scarf. I'm making matching scarves for me and my 2 pups. So I'll be working on that and then probably watching Netflix, probably some kind of true crime, and just hanging out. All right, well, thank you guys so much. Hope you have a good weekend, and I will see you next week. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe below and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. See you next week, guys.
X on me right. I might spin it, 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 New X, new X, new X, new X, new X on me right. New X, new X, new X, new X, new X on me right. I might spin it, 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 I might spin it.